Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Honor X70i. Alright, let's open up our WhatsApp. I just install it from the Play Store to show you the whole process, and make sure that you also need to uninstall your WhatsApp and install it once more, because that's the only way to restore your backup. Okay, in here simply select your language, click on agree and continue, and in here you need to type your phone number. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second. Okay. Then click on continue, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. In here simply click on continue, in here click on allow, and allow. And now, as you can see, we have looking for backups, and now we have option to restore our chats. You can also see below how long ago I made my last backup. It was 16 minutes ago. Below we have its size and the account on which I made it. Make sure that you are also logged in on your phone into that Google account that you can see on the screen right now. Not the exact one, but make sure that you are logged in on your phone into the same Google account on which you made the backup for yourself. And also, if you don't restore your chats right now, there is no possible option to do it later. So if you want, you have to do it right now. And also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so now simply click on restore. Now the process will start. Let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, as you can see, 17 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now simply click on next. Under the profile info, simply type your name, and if you're interested in, you can also add the profile photo. Now click on next. Okay, and in here we have all our messages, the photos and videos has been successfully restored. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.